Tree cutting and trimming Valley Stream. In recent years, Long Island has experienced an increase in trees and shrubs to create an aesthetic appeal. To be fair, these efforts are showing results as the landscape is changing, looking better every day. As much as the landscape is transforming, tree services are needed to help monitor the growth of trees and shrubs. These services include tree pruning, shrub trimming, and tree trimming. Cutting and trimming trees and shrubs can be done any time of the year. Many people have their trees pruned in the spring or summer, but you may want to consider doing it in the fall or winter, after the leaves are off the trees, during seasons without the leaves. The structure of the tree is more visible, which makes it easier for our Long Island tree trimming service to assess, evaluate, access and maintain your trees. We have professional and courteous crews, a fully staffed office to assist you, and a reputation for impeccable service and reliability. Call us at 516-589-8517. For more information, please visit our website, www.branchingoutme.com, or contact us through phone, 516-5889-8517. You can visit our office, 4 East Valley Stream Boulevard, Valley Stream, New York 11580. Tree cutting and trimming Valley Stream.